Hey guys, how's everyone doing? We got out today. We didn't think we were going to because man, oh man, we're having some rain here lately, but luckily we did. So I just had the tarp set up there for a minute. I'll show you that now in a minute there because it was pouring. I didn't want my phone to get wet, but yes, we're out for a little cook up now for supper. Can you see me, bud? Good. Hard to get the camera set up here because it's not a level ground. All right, bud, come on over then. You get ready to now in a minute. Oh, I'd like to lose it. There we go. So it's not the ground's not very stable here, and it was I think is yeah, but you got our plates net ready. I think it's rain now for the next 7 to 10 days here on the west coast of Newfoundland. So me and the young fella just grabbed our packs and that, picked up some bacon and stuff, and we said we'd try to get out now while it's slacked a little bit. So that's what we're doing. So I thought we would take you guys live. Now, come on, bud, so we can help Dad. We're going to get Dad's cup going. Get me my pack of coffee. So we get all that ready. And this is fun. We're in quite a spot here, guys. I didn't think we were going to get out, but I never brought, you might hear some crods in the background there. This is a trail over that way. I never brought my good pan today because, like I said, we hiked in, so I really didn't want to carry a whole lot of stuff. This pan's not really the best, but it's usually what it takes if I'm...
Where's your coffee?
Whatever. I think it's in here, but it was there.
I was going to say, it's not in
Pass me my cup. This cup. 2 packs of coffee should be in there.
There's a French... Oh, here you go.
Give Dad 2 of them. I'll mix up. Whatever. I know, that's fine. One's good. Give me my cup.
I was just looking for your cup and it was
Yep,
already
we'll take all the garbage out too. Get your sitting head there, bud.
I just go
There you go. So after this video today, yeah, bud, you go see if you can see me good, because this is, I don't know, it's not really a good spot, but yeah, guys. So after today, I'm not sure when I'm going to get a video up again because there's a lot of rain coming for us. So I managed to get out today, like I said, and actually it was raining when we came in, but I said, well, I'll chance it anyway. But so we're just going to have a bit of bacon, and we got a couple English muffins there with butter, and we're going to put a bit of cheese on that, and young fella got some water there, and I got the coffee. But this pan, I don't know, I should have brought a better pan, I guess, but I find it hard on this stove because we're not really that big. But, yep. Well, that we would take you guys along anyway. I hope everyone's doing good. Can you see me, bud?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, I hope everyone is doing good, guys. Hopefully you're having a good summer. Not really that good here yet. Like I said, 7 or 10 days of rain. I don't know. It's gonna have me drove. But I said, well, that's it. We gotta get out. So, bacon's almost cooked now. Another couple minutes for that. Down a bit actually. Get a coffee on then. Now if the rain will stop for us to actually do this video, because that's why I set that up. Well, I never really set it up that good. First time doing it, but got it set up anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna come over now and show you guys. Yeah, that's right. You're doing a good job, bud. Okay, watch out, it's okay. You can adjust it. Yes, that's what Dad said. You keep adjusting it. Yeah, guys, so this is the tarp setup now. First time I ever doing a tarp, and it's just a little cheap when I picked up at outdoor store, but I mean, it kept us from getting wet. It poured. This is the spot we're in. Obviously, I'm going to make sure to untie everything and do all that before I goes. And, but yeah, like I said, it's hard. The ground's not really leveled either, but see, now if I get tripod back here, we'll get in the shot a lot better. Okay, bud, you keep doing what you were doing now, and you come over and help Dad now in a minute. Okay, bud? Doing a good job, buddy. You'll get used to the camera. So our bacon don't get burned. Matches here, we'll pick them up. So, in the pocket actually. Yep, so guys, bacon's gonna be a bit crispy. That's how me and young fella likes it. And I was sitting at home today, and actually I put a post on Facebook, and I said, I guess we're not going to get out for a couple of days. because it says a lot of rain, but actually it's pecking a little bit now. But if it really starts to downpour, I'll have to stop the video because I don't want to ruin my phone. But that's why I tried to set the tarp up. But I think I'm going to need to invest in a good tarp. So if anyone knows a good bushcraft tarp, leave it in the comments, let me know. I think that one there is just a 5x7. I could be wrong, but I think that's what it is. I just picked it up out in St. John's at Outdoor Store. Actually, I got it on sale. I think it was like 20 bucks or something. But yeah, guys, I like to get a good tarp, and I really didn't want to order one from Amazon because it takes forever to come. But I think AquaQuest is a good one too. I see a lot of the guys got on there. But now me and the young fella was home today looking out at the rain, and we said, well, that's it. We got to get out. Can't handle that. It's enough for that for me. So I don't mind getting out like this now. Hopefully it'll slack off. I'm not looking too good, but as long as we can have a bite to eat, take you guys along, and have a coffee and that. Get your sitting pad too after, bud. You'll be on there. We should have brought our bigger one. We'll take our bigger one next time. We got our pack there from our bacon. We're going to be taking that out with us too as well. This place will be left the same as it was when I came in, when I goes out, because like I said on all my videos, I'm not one for littering. So we just went, I don't know, probably 5 minutes on a dirt road. I just came off in here. Like I said, we set the tarp up, but yeah, bacon's looking good. This pan's not the best, so like I said, this is just when I'll probably take the winter time or something's hard on the knees doing this. But yeah, we're going to get the kettle on now. I'm going to have a cup of coffee. Now in a second, since the bacon's done. Get, you can, oh, mine's right there, bud, plates. Get ready. We got our plates with us, guys. Ones I picked up at the dollar store. Spatula, cheese. You come over and get our English muffins ready too, bud. Just put 2 on your plate and 2 on Dad's. That should be good enough for the camera. You can go over and check me now in a minute, huh? Dad's going to crisp it up a little bit, the way we likes it. And, yeah. Watch out, you know, the... Oh, yeah. There you go. 2 on mine, 2 on yours. Don't matter what color ones we got. As Dad starts to get a bit better now, Dad's going to put the kettle on. Young flower came on there, and we didn't know we were coming out today, and he forgot his cup. So he has it all in his book bag, but he had his book bag rearranged there for the Father's Day fishing trip. So guys, I think I was saying in the last video there, yeah. So the young fella's rod, there on Father's Day, something went wrong with it, but he had that for a couple of years, and I guess it was just giving out. So I did go up and pick him up a new one. But we're hoping to get back in now. Well, it won't be anytime soon with the rain. Hopefully when the rain slacks. And I gotta get up and get a pair of rubber boots, because I was gonna do a review on these boots. I was thinking about it, and then I didn't do it, but I bought these boots. They're Mountain Warehouse boots. They were almost $150. I bought them the end of last summer, so going into fall, and I never even wore them at all. I've never even had them a year, and they're gone. They're like literally falling apart, holes and everything, you know. So I'm not too impressed with that. I mean, for $150, you think you would get something we're talking about. If you guys would like to see more on that, and for me to actually do a review, let me know, because I wouldn't waste my money on them, that's for sure. Like I said, I got them going on actually the winter, so I never wore them in the winter, obviously. The bottom's falling off there. The bottom is let go on that one. That there's completely gone. I mean, this dirt now is from walking in here today. And I wore them fishing that time because, like I said, they're gone anyway. But definitely not worth 150 bucks. So I think next I'm going to get a pair of Keen hiking boots, because like I said, these boots are all good. Or get a pair of rubbers. And young fella wants to get in anyways and try his fishing rod out. So yeah, guys, gonna be a lot of cooking videos coming up. That's what me and the young fella likes doing. And there's one thing we didn't have today, or two things actually, that's our favorite besides beans. Or yeah, besides bacon, I mean, is beans. We like beans and wieners, and we like having toutons. But we didn't have none today, so maybe the next one now we'll have some beans and wieners and bacon. That's our go-to in the woods. Beans, wieners, bacon, bologna, and a bit of toast. Hey, bud. That's what we like. Some geez, that almost burned me there, didn't it? Okay, this is almost done. gonna get ready now and hey bud, we're gonna get ready now and get a bit of cheese on our bagels. On our English muffins. Get your sitting pad, bud. Make sure you don't fall, my son. There you go.
I'll put this in my book bag now.
Yeah, guys, these little sitting pads I got in Nova Scotia off of a guy over there that sells them. And I know at the outdoor stores, I think they're like 30 bucks. We got these for $4 each, believe it or not. And we've been using these for a long time. Like most of the time we goes, we take these with us. So I mean, you know, yes, I do like brand name stuff, but for $4, I mean, you're only kneeling on it. It's not a big deal. So. Okay, bud, you want to move the camera around now? And you show. Do you know how to swivel it? Turn it that way.
To turn it like
Yeah,
around?
yeah, just show everyone where we're to.
I think don't you just spin it?
Yep, try it. There you go. Show everyone where we're at now, bud. Go right on around, over your way. Keep her going. Yep, keep her going, bud. Show everyone where we're at. Everybody's definitely a bit of snarl. Get in there. Yep. Okay, put her back on dead now. Yeah, guys, so bacon's done. We're gonna let that cool down. Guess I should get the on here. I don't even think that's no farther than that, is it, bud? Yeah, guys, I'll show you the bacon here now in a second. That's the bacon. Oh, yes. Oh. Clumsy fingers, guys. Okay, I gotta get my gloves, bud. Can you get my gloves out of my book bag for me? Out of the front part?
I also brought a pair of gloves too.
Yep, yeah, needs this for lift that kettle off.
Burn your fingers.
Yeah, hey boy. Burn your fingers is right.
Lummy cheese.
Yeah, we're gonna get that on our plate now, bud. Is Dad in the shot still?
Oh, let's see. That's
wow,
why
stepping on that.
I'll have to adjust it.
Yeah, guys, so here, bud, adjust it on that. Can you guys see that? Can you see it, bud?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good, huh? Okay, get it back on Dad this way now. And just have it facing down, bud. Hang on now. We're gonna sit down now while we're eating. Okay, you see Dad now?
Yeah, that should be good. Like, put your head up. Yeah, okay.
Okay, you come over now, bud. We're gonna sit down right here on our sitting pads. And, oh yeah, the rain's gonna pick up.
I'll sit right here.
Down your pads, yeah. Okay, get a plate now, bud, and we'll do the. Oh yes, twigs and all. Okay. Alright. Dad's just gonna. You can pick it up after, okay? Dad's
Put it
going.
on the plate and all.
Yep, Dad's going to give you some cheese too. Hang on, now. He's gonna get some on his. There's some now, bud, to go in. It makes a little sandwich. Nope. Hang on. These hands are clean anyway.
Yeah. But don't burn yourself.
Oh, there's one. This is about. Here, one more. Yeah, guys, so we're going to have a good day, hopefully. So there's the bacon. But I'll see you later. Alright, bud. Oh, yes, there goes my coffee. Yeah, I mean, young fella loves doing stuff like this, guys. I'll tell you that, we do. A little bit of cheese. Hey, bud, that's yours. You put that on. You don't need to put all your bacon on, bud, if you don't want to. Yeah, it's just going to put a couple pieces on and eat something like that. Crispy, guys. No, good bacon.
I'll make it fit. There you go.
Yeah. Actually, I'm going to do them on like that, bud. 2 little sandwiches, like.
There we go. Now we got a little bit of cheese left over. We won't need it though.
You can have it, bud.
I know.
We got lots more at home.
I'll just keep it here, yeah. I'm not eating it right now, but you know, I might need it. good.
Yep. Smells not too good though. I should say it's not boiling too fast. Yeah, bud. You can drink that water. Yeah, it'll, you can use my bottle, that's fine. You've never had a drink, open her up. Or just flash her in it when we get some. Did you get it? Do you got it on too tight?
Got it on too tight.
Hang on, man. You drink that, my son. Yeah, it'll just yeah, guys, so we well, the rain's backed off for now. Good boy? Got the top one? That's good enough for me. Just a couple of coffee.
Mine's falling apart. Look.
Yeah, good, hi. What they did there, I say. I got my spoon over there.
I'll have to break it into like sections.
No, this ain't really hot out here, but that's fine. Ain't too hot. Oh yeah, she's hot. Definitely hot, I'll tell you that.
Hope that dog ate that.
No. Yep, not yours. Oh yeah, I ate like that, but mine fell apart too. Where's fresh, sir? Yeah, it's fell apart too, my son, no?
That's fine though.
Yeah, oh no.
At least we got bacon.
Yeah. So just gonna give up now for a minute. You keep eating. Oh yes. Up in the machine. Yeah, guys. So hopefully, you guys enjoyed this one, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll show you my cup of coffee here and get it around. My cup of coffee, yeah, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment, share it if you want, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, guys. Have a good one.